Eddie.
No, she ain't. I'm Eddie. That's Peyton. And this is our cell project. This is an animal cell. And this is a plant cell. Let's take a closer look at the organelles found in each one. This picture depicts a flagellum and cilia. They are mainly found in animal cells. They have microtubule containing extensions that project from a cell. They are usually found in unicellular eukaryotes such as animal sperm, algae, and some plant cells, and acts as a locomotor appendage. A fun fact about cilia is that it lines a woman's oviducts, which help move the egg into the uterus. The arrow is pointing to a centrosome. Centrosomes are mainly found in animal cells. It is a microtubule with the function of compressing resistant girders of the cytoskeleton. Other microtubules form out of centrosomes and have a fiber-like structure. Fun fact about centrosomes, that many eukaryotic cells do not have centrosomes, so the organization of microtubules is different. These aren't just circles you're looking at. This is the cytoskeleton, which are found in both animal and plant cells. The cytoskeleton is a network of fibers extending throughout the cytoplasm. It is important for the organization of the structures and activities of the cell. There are three main types of fibers that make up the cytoskeleton. The first one are microtubules, which are found in both animal and plant cells. They're responsible for chromosome movements and cell division and organelle movements. The second type of tube is microfilaments, which are only found in animal cells, and they are responsible for muscle contraction and cell motility. The third and final type are intermediate filaments, which are found in both animal and plant cells and are responsible for anchorage of the nucleus and formation of nuclear lamina. This is a peroxisome. They are found in both animal and plant cells. They have a metabolic compartment bounded by a single membrane. It contains enzymes that remove hydrogen atoms from various substrates and transfer them to oxygen, which creates hydrogen peroxide as a byproduct. Fun fact about the peroxisome is that it gets its name from the byproduct it creates, which is hydrogen peroxide. This is a mitochondria. It is found in both animal and plant cells. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. It converts energy into ATP. ATP is created by taking energy from sugars and fats. It's made up of two membranes, an outer membrane, which is like the skin, and the inner membrane folds to create cristae. Fun fact about mitochondria is that chloroplasts and mitochondria share similar evolutionary origins. This is a lysosome. They are mainly and only found in animal cells. The lysosome is a membranous sac of hydrolytic enzymes. The cells use the enzymes found here to digest macromolecules. Fun fact, if too many enzymes found in the lysosomes are released, it can destroy a cell by self-digestion. This is the Golgi apparatus. It's found in both animal and plant cells. Its function is to take products of the endoplasmic reticulum, such as proteins, are modified and stored and then sent to other destinations. It consists of flat membranous sacs. A Golgi stack has membranes of cisternae on opposite sides of the stack, differing in thickness and molecular composition. It has a cis face located near the ER and a trans face that gives rise to vesicles that pinch off and travel to other sites. It is considered the warehouse for receiving, sorting, shipping, and some manufacturing. Fun fact, it specializes in cells for secretion. This is the ribosome. Now you probably can't see it because someone decided to put it in yellow. Anyways, they are found in both animal and plant cells. Their complexes are made of ribosomal RNA and protein, the cellular components that carry out protein synthesis. They're not membrane bound, so they're not technically considered organelles. Fun fact, though, about the ribosomes is that they were first discovered in 1974. This here is the nucleolus. It is found in both animal and plant cells. The nucleolus is found in the nucleus. It is a massive, densely stained granules and fibers adjoining part of the chromatin. In the nucleolus, RNA is synthesized from instructions in the DNA. It is also where proteins imported from the cytoplasm are assembled with rRNA into large and small subunits of ribosomes. Fun fact, when looking through a microscope, a nucleolus appears as a dark spot in the nucleus. This is the nucleus. It is found in both plant and animal cells. It contains most of the genes in the eukaryotic cell. Generally, the nucleus is the most conspicuous organelle, averaging about 5 micrometers in diameter. Fun fact about the nucleus is that the nucleus is considered the brain of the cell. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is found in both animal and plant cells. The ER is an extensive network of membranes within the cytoplasm. It consists of a network of membranous tubules and sacs called cisternae. The ER is composed of a rough and a smooth. The rough ER is studded with ribosomes on the outer surface of the membrane, making it look rough through a microscope. Its purpose is to assemble and facilitate proteins. For the smooth ER, the outer surface lacks ribosomes, and depending on the type of cell, the functions include synthesis of lipids, metabolism of carbohydrates, detoxification of drugs and poisons, and storage of calcium ions. This is a cell wall. It is mainly found in plant cells. The cell wall protects the cell, maintains its shape, and prevents excessive uptake of water. They are made of microfibrils of polysaccharide cellulose. A fun fact, the exact chemical composition of the cell wall varies from species to species and even from one cell type to another in the same plant. This is a vacuole. They're found in both plants and animal cells, but they differ in some ways. Vacuoles are large vesicles derived from the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. They consist of a food vacuole, which is formed by phagocytosis, which is the ingestion of bacteria, contractile vacuoles, which pumps excess water out of the cell, and a central vacuole, which is found in plants, and they enlarge upon the absorbance of water. Fun fact, vacuoles protect plants from herbivores by storing compounds that are poisonous or unpalatable to animals.
So that was our cell project. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Me too.
Don't be chomping gum while you do it. Don't be chomping gum while you do it.
Has she been recording?
You gonna pop out or something?
Bro, hold on.
Oh, wait, that would look at me cute. You go, hi, I'm Minnie, and then I'll be like, hi, I'm Nick.